Welcome back. Now, one of the applications that will provide maximum flexibility as well as productivity will be Outlook using Microsoft Exchange. And you do have that app as part of your Office 365 for Business. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to go and click inside of Outlook. Now, Outlook will allow you to manage your email for up to 5 email addresses in one location. And that means then that what you'll need to do is you'll need to change your connected accounts. All you'll need to do is to click this link that says Connected Accounts. And what you'll do is you'll add in a new account. When you do that, you'll write in the email address and then the password. What will happen is then Office 365 will then begin to import your email into your online management system. And once again, you can do this for up to 5 email addresses. You can replicate this on the desktop application that exists on your hard drive. However, you don't have to. But once all your emails are set up, you'll be able to log in to any web browser to get access to any of your email. You'll log in to the address login.microsoft.com, and you'll sign in then with your Microsoft email address. Once you're logged in, you will go to your admin panel, and then you'll click on the icon for Outlook. And you'll then be able to have all of your email address in one place. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.